In this video, we'll show you what to do if your HP laptop is not showing anything when you connect it to an external monitor or a TV through HDMI. So to fix this, what you first need to do is press Windows plus P together on your keyboard. So this will bring up this project window. Here select duplicate or extend from the list and see if that fixes the problem. However, if nothing happens, right click anywhere on the desktop and then choose display settings. Now in this menu, scroll down and then go to advanced display. Now here use this drop down menu to select your external monitor or TV. After that, click this choose a refresh rate drop down menu and then select a different rate from here. However, if this doesn't work, right click on the start icon and then choose device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand display adapters. Now here right click on an entry called NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. It may be named differently depending on your laptop's model. Now choose uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then click on uninstall again. After that, simply go ahead and restart your HP laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply hard reset your HP laptop. For that, shut down your HP laptop completely and unplug everything including the charger, HDMI cables and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your HP laptop for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, simply turn on your HP laptop again and then try to connect it to an external monitor or TV. If possible, try using a different HDMI cable and see if the issue is resolved.